Yeah, it is actually pretty chilly out there this morning, and temperatures overnight dropping back in the upper 30s and lower 40s as skies cleared out in the wake of storms yesterday afternoon. But guys, I was not up late enough to see these, but we had a lot of reports. Did you happen to see them? A line of lights through the sky yesterday. No, they were not UFOs.
Those are so neat, by the way. I love watching them.
We've talked about this before, and these are Starlink satellites, and a lot of folks capturing glimpses of this across the middle of the country. Again, this is an Elon Musk project, and he's putting thousands of satellites in orbit in an effort to bring high-speed internet to many rural areas and really any place on the globe. So that's what you probably saw if you happen to see a line of lights through the sky last night. Again, don't be worried, it's not aliens or anything like that. But checking in this morning, we've still got those clear skies out there. Again, it has allowed temperatures overnight to dip back really into the upper 30s and lower 40s, which is quite cold for this time of year. Now to this afternoon, we do expect a fairly warm day. Temperatures jumping back to about 70. A small chance for a stray shower. Better rain chances though on the way this weekend. A round of rain here through Saturday morning, and then more wet weather for Mother's Day on Sunday. In fact, Sunday looking very, very wet here in the area. Of course, we did see the rain yesterday afternoon. That has since come to an end and cleared on out of here. But as the skies cleared, we see radiational cooling. That heat release back in the atmosphere. 37 in Mount Vernon right now, 42 in Marion, 42 as well in Cape, 45 in Paducah. Anytime we've got clear skies and calm winds, you can bet on a chilly night and a chilly morning the next one. All right, so we are caught in between cold fronts right now. We are watching this storm system, though, this morning coming over the eastern side of the Rockies. It's going to track it through the plains and into the mid-Mississippi Valley here over the weekend, and it's really going to be our big rainmaker. Now, this afternoon, a spot shower or two, primarily in some of our north and eastern counties. Better chances closer to the Wabash River. Most areas stay dry today. However, then we look ahead to Saturday, and some showers, fairly widespread, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. I still think we're going to see some dry time on Saturday afternoon, but as that storm system draws a little closer on Sunday, more wet weather and potentially an isolated strong storm or two. On Saturday, the severe weather risk way to our west out across the plains, but notice as we look ahead to Sunday, now our region is outlined in mostly a level 1 from the Storm Prediction Center, but parts of southeast Missouri, Poplar Bluff to Dexter, back over near Donovan, including Caruthersville as well, in a level 2. So an isolated strong storm or two can't be ruled out, and more wet weather. Some folks may actually end up seeing more than a half an inch of rainfall. It's rain at this point that we could see across southeastern Illinois. Still some dry areas there, but a lot of folks ready for the rain to quit. Of course, you can track all that wet weather on the Storm Track 3 app. Any warnings that would be issued on Sunday also issued and sent to that app. So today, about a 20% chance for an isolated shower in some of our eastern counties. 70 degrees for a high temperature. Not bad outside. 60 on Saturday as we start to see that warm front lift a little closer, but the rain keeps the temperatures down. Winds will start to turn more towards out of the south and east, and then more wet weather in store for us on Sunday. Sunday looking like a washout for many folks here in our region. It's going to be wet and very windy on Sunday. So about a 90% chance there of some wet weather. And then we really cool down into the early part of next week. Remember, it's May. Average high temperatures this time of year into the mid-70s. We're talking afternoon highs Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Only in the low 60s, so well below average for this time of year. Another chance for some showers as well in the forecast for Wednesday. There's our warm-up. We add in those 3 extra days, brings us to that 10-day forecast. And by the following weekend, looking a little nicer as temperatures there, at least into the mid to upper 70s, and some dry weather also returning.
Dry weather.
We're ready for it.
All right. Thank you, Nick.